Tesla is a cult. Elon Musk is a fraud. The company Tesla is in one of the biggest bubbles in human history. Anybody that is bullish on Tesla stock is a disgusting, incompetent scammer. We are going to review the Q1 2025 earnings of this fake fraud bubble stock. And what you're about to witness is the peak of delusion that is currently wrapped around this stock. I have never seen something be such an obvious scam bubble fraud, and yet see legions of people worship this company. I am living in a world that has gone insane. There is no other explanation. People are literally insane when they see evidence of complete and utter financial annihilation, when they see a massive destruction of a company's value, and yet they still shill the stock. They still look for the good. We are truly in clown world. We are in a clown market, and I pity everybody that is invested in this stock, including myself in VT. Let's go dive into Tesla's Q1 2025 earnings. And oh boy, it is bad. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. So we've got the Q1 2025 Tesla slide deck here. Okay, I cannot wait to see how Elon Musk is going to justify this company trading at the valuation that it's trading at. Okay, so let's look at some of the highlights here. Okay, profitability, $400 million of GAAP operating income. Okay, the number by itself is meaningless. What does that mean? Well, if you go look at Tesla's prior performance, and of course the stock's up because U.S. stocks, bro. Of course it's up. Last quarter's operating income was $1.5 billion. Billion. The quarter before that, it was $2.7 billion. Tesla was regularly posting well in excess of $1 billion of operating income. Now we're at 400 million. 400 million. Is this financial destruction? No, it's bullish, bro. Tesla's doing amazing. So when you look at it in context, their profits are collapsing before your very eyes. It's bad. It's very, very bad. Operating cash flow of 2.2 billion. So they're still cash flow positive. Okay, wonderful. And free cash flow of 0.7 billion. They are burning cash on investments that I think are dubious. So let's read some of their cope here. In Q1, we accomplished an industry first, simultaneously changing over production lines across all factories for the world's best-selling vehicle. And yet you're like barely profitable. And next quarter, you'll probably be unprofitable, but I'm sure that'll be bullish for Tesla somehow. The Tesla team successfully ramped our production lines across 4 factories. Okay, that's nonsense. Let's go to the juicy stuff. AI is a major pillar of growth for Tesla. AI? What's AI? Where's the AI, Tesla? You're a car company. Shut up. AI. And then if genomics becomes the thing, they're going to talk about genomics in Tesla. Garrett freaking Teed. They're going to somehow tie in Tesla to genomics if that becomes the next investing theme. That's the kind of clown world we're living. Oh my God, genomics. Furthermore, AI infrastructure is driving rapid load growth. Oh yeah, Tesla investors are going to take a huge load one day. Trust me, right up there, you know what's. It's creating an outsized opportunity for our energy storage products. I like that they're talking about energy storage, which is a small component of their business, okay? In the face of near-term profitability hurdles, guys, it's just near-term. Everything's fine at Tesla HQ. Trust me, bro. No problems whatsoever. We are justified in having our $700-800 billion market cap. Clown world. Blah, 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 blah. All right, let's go look at the freaking numbers, okay? First thing, and I'm sorry, the way they design this it's hard to see. I apologize, okay? But just trust me, bro. Total automotive revenues are down 20% Year over year, total automotive revenues are down 20%, 20 negative. Bullish, brah, 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 brah. Down 20%. Their automotive revenue was just shy of 14 billion. When was the last time that they had 14 billion of automotive revenue? Probably back in December 31st, 2021. So we're back at that level for automotive revenues. Wow, yeah, the stock's price is so justified, bro. You just don't get it, strong man. You're so stupid. I'm a genius. Energy generation and storage grew 67%. Bro. So the only positive growth story is energy storage. And I wonder how the tariffs are going to impact that. Bullish, bruh. And then services and other revenue up 15%. Total revenues are down 9%. If you looked at any company that had negative 9% revenue growth and massive contraction in profits, what would you do? Be like, that's a crash company. But the cult of Tesla is powerful. It is irresistible. It is total clown world. Okay? Outrageous. Gross margin down to 16%. But that includes energy storage, I imagine. So the gross margins on their cars are not that great. They're collapsing, obviously. Total operating income, $399 million, a 2.1% operating margin. This was the company that had the best margins in the industry, bro. 2.1% operating margins, and that's with energy storage and services. This is a complete and utter catastrophe. This is apocalyptic. And the stock is up. The stock is up. The stock is up. What? US stocks to US stock, bro. Net income, $409 million, down 71%. EPS, 12 cents. So you buy a share of Tesla for $237, $247 after hours, right? Because, of course, the stock's up tens of billions of market cap today. And you get 12 cents of earnings. Okay, bro, I got a deal for you. You give me $247, and then next quarter I'll give you 12 cents. What do you think, bro? Oh yeah, bro. Bro, it's amazing, bro. US stocks, bro. So stupid. Oh, but their cash from operating activities is up, bro, from an extremely low point in the prior quarter, year over year. Total disaster. Even their free cash flow has collapsed. Okay? So they've dropped their capital expenditures. So if you look at this number right here, they spent $1.5 billion on capital expenditures. That's like AI research, property, plant, and equipment. Before that, it was $2.7 billion. Before that, it was $3.5 billion, $2.2 billion, $2.77 billion. They're massively contracting their investments because they're cooked. They got to start hoarding cash. They're entering a dark period. Okay? Their free cash flow is down to $664. Horrible. Bro. All right, let's see why their revenue declined. Total revenue decreased 9%. No biggie, bro. Decline in vehicle deliveries. Oh, 50% growth, bro. In part due to the Model Y update. Yeah, I'm sure that's the only reason, guys. It's all the Model Y update, bro. Reduced vehicle average selling price. That is a brand with power, guys. That you have to constantly reduce your prices in order to move inventory. Yeah, sticking power, bro. This should be in the PP ETF. Oh, wait, it's gone. Negative currency impact of 0.3 billion. And then their revenue grew. So the only highlights that stopped their revenue from collapsing more than 9% was energy growth and storages and higher regulatory credit revenue. How long is that going to last? The credit revenue? I thought we were getting rid of that. Okay, so their profits, the main reason their profits dropped to a 2.1% operating margin. And let's go look at Toyota. What's Toyota's operating margin? Let's see. 9.81%. Yeah, Tesla, bro. Toyota's trash, bro. God, this is like I can't believe we're talking about this company. This is insane. How can you look at this and think that this is like bullish? You're nuts. There's something wrong with you. You're in a cult. Stop. Go outside. Go for a run. Go make new friendships. Stop obsessing about this garbage, disgusting company. So they reduce vehicle selling prices, decline in deliveries. So reducing prices and a decline in deliveries, and increase in operating expenses driven by AI and other R&D projects. Yeah, AI, bro. FSD any second, bro. All right, so let's look at Model 3 and Y production. So Model 3 and Model Y production is down 16% year over year. I thought we were going to double production. Isn't that what Trump and Elon said in the front of the White House? Other models production down 18%. Oh, the Cybertruck, it's going to change everything, bro. Model Y deliveries down 12%. Other models deliveries, the Cybertrunk, the Cyberstunk, down 24%. Oh, yeah, bro. US stocks, bro. Tesla, bro. Total deliveries down 13%. So their deliveries are down 13%, but their total automotive revenue collapsed 20%. They're cutting prices massively, and they're still showing massive declines in deliveries. This is bad. This is, do you understand? Oh, but they're going to be an energy storage company, bro. That means it should be what's the market cap of this company now? Oh, $765 billion. You know, that's what 3 times Toyota? Makes sense. US stocks, bro. All right. Okay, here's the creme de la creme. Market share of Tesla vehicles by region. What do you notice about the chart? Is this company gaining market share? No, it's losing market share now. And it's only going to get worse, especially in China. Okay? It's like the EV capital of the world. In Europe, you think the Europeans are happy with Tesla? Why is Tesla not showing their market? Okay, they cut off the market share for Europe right here. So you see that US, Canada, and China are here, and then they cut off Europe here. I wonder why they're hiding that. I mean, unless it's the same as China, maybe they had a massive decline in market share in Europe and they're hiding it. You can see how it's cut off. Let's zoom in, cultists. Bro, those lines end at the same place. What are you talking about? The colors are pink, orange, and brown. Yeah, it's not blue, red, and green, bro. I'm a Tesla cultist. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, AI, my hot guy. Okay, they launched FSD, full self-driving, supervised in China. Let's see. We remain on track for a pilot launch of robotaxi in Austin by June. Wrong, lies, degeneracy. And builds of Optimus Slime on our Fremont pilot production in 2025. Optimus Slime is not going to be a major selling point of Tesla. It's a gimmick, you low IQ cultist clowns. It's Optimus Slime. It's a guy in a suit dancing and a gimmicky clownish robot that was controlled by clowns speaking through it. Oh, the robots are talking to me, bro. Yeah, it was some dork in a back room talking through the robots at the cyber cab event or whatever. Hey, you people are stupid. US stocks, bro. US stocks, bro. Bro. All right. Volume. It is difficult to measure the shifting global trade policy on the automotive and energy supply chains. Bullish for Tesla, bro. Our cost structure and demand for durable goods. While we are making prudent investments that will set up both our vehicle and energy businesses for growth. Oh yeah, you're doing such a good job, guys. The rate of this growth this year will depend on a variety of factors, including the rate of acceleration of our autonomy efforts, production ramp at our factories, and the broader macro environment. Just say you're garbage. Just say we're trash. Just be honest, please. We will revisit our 2025 guidance in our Q2 update. They're not even giving guidance. Oh, I wonder why. Oh my God, they're still, they're still doing it. So it's a meme in the Tesla earnings deck that they always say they're going to get 50% growth. It could be growth of Optimus Slime's third toe. It could be of Cybertruck hubcaps. There's always something that's growing at 50% in Tesla. Okay, that's their little gimmick that they do. And every earnings deck, they keep that amount in there. But now they've revised the amount. Okay, now we're not even at 50%. No, Tesla's not growing at 50%. Optimus Slime's third toe production. No, let's read this sentence. This should help us fully utilize our current expected maximum capacity of close to 3 million vehicles. Why, if you're not selling, if your sales are declining, why are you maximizing capacity? Enabling more than 60% growth over 2024 production. So not only are we pretending there's growth, now it's not just 50%, it's 60%. If you can't see what's going on here, if you believe the Tesla lies, if you are still falling for this, you are sick in the head. There is something wrong with you. You don't live in reality. You worship Elon as a god. It is not okay. He is not a god. He is a misshapen man. He is a blob. He's a grifter. And you're worshiping him. He's your hero. Disgusting. Our purpose-built robo-taxi product, Cybercab, will continue to pursue a revolutionary unboxed manufacturing strategy. Oh my God, they're changing the world. And is scheduled for production volume production starting in 2026. Oh, I'm sure. All right, but guys, have you seen, okay, the earnings were bad, okay? 20% decline in, vehicle revenue and, profits imploding and free cash flow imploding and market share collapsing. But they have very nice photos. Okay, let's look at the photos. Okay, here's Gigafactory, Texas. They got people walking in. There's a Tesla outside. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, we got this guy looks familiar. Hey guys, wow! I feel like I've seen him before. It's probably some Tesla grifter. Elon Musk probably showers him with money for shilling his scam company. Okay, we got Gigafactory Shanghai. We're in a massive trade war with China. Bullish, bro. Let's see. Gigafactory Berlin. Yeah, Europe loves us now, bro. Fremont. Okay, we got an Amerifat here and his wife he got overseas. Tesla. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't. This changes everything. Tesla Diner. There's going to be a Tesla restaurant. Oh my God, 50% growth. Oh. Now we got Tesla diners. Can you imagine eating in a Tesla diner? Can you imagine the amount of dorks and cultists that would be attracted there? God. What a clown show. Okay, we got a semi-factory. Wow. Okay, we got 5-star crash safety rating. I mean, it's a freaking bucket of steel. Let's see. Powerwall 3. Okay, this is like the only bright spot of Tesla is the Powerwall. Okay, let's value this company like a mega pack Powerwall company. Okay, more Shanghai, Fremont. Oh, they got... Tell me this is not staged. Okay, this is their Fremont. Guys, they're building Optimus Slimes. This is part of the assembly line. This is clearly staged. Okay. Oh, guys, let's show the world that we're mass producing Optimus Slime by having 4 people screw into a robot. You think they're actually building these robots? They made people walk up to the Optimus Slimes, pretend to put tools on the robots, and took a picture. These people are not building an Optimus Slime right now. This is a staged photograph. This is fake. Where's everybody else in the freaking factory? Look at the background. Where's everybody else? This is clown world. This is insane. This is insane. Okay, look at the deliveries. What do you notice about the deliveries chart? Oh, going down. Free cash flow going down. Oh, profits going down. I wonder if they have Bitcoin on here. All right. Where would their Bitcoin be? Maybe I'll see it on the statement of cash flows. I want to see what they recorded for a Bitcoin profit. Okay. What, do they have a loss? Okay, it looks like they had a slight loss on Bitcoin for Q1. Oh, man, 125 million. That's why their profits are low, bro. It's because they had to write down Bitcoin. Otherwise, they would have vertical lined their profits. What a freaking joke. This is such a joke. And, of course, the stock's up because the world is insane. There's no other explanation. The world is insane. I thought humans were rational. They are irrational, insane beings. Monsters that easily fall into cults. Humanity is cooked. This makes zero sense. You are not smart as a Tesla investor. You are a moron. You are fake. You are false. You are a fraud. You are delusional. You are sick. You need help. Go see counseling. This should not be. God. All right, let's do some comments. I can't wait to see all the Tesla cultists. Bro, you don't understand, bro. I'm 37. Am I safe from getting No, you're going to die. Of course it is. Tesla's up, bro. It's up. Yo, it's up, bro. I'm a good investor. I made a good stock. I'm a genius. Woke man, personal finance. You would think that as a new liberal, he'd be a Tesla lover. No, liberals hate Tesla now. So I'm right on. I'm right on the script. Let's see. I am Amerifat 69. I am bullish on Tesla. Soon they will make me Tesla scooters and I can get to McDonald's quicker. I guess that's one bull case for Tesla. They don't have many bull cases anymore. Elon wasn't promising 50% growth. Well, it's 60% now, Eric. Let's be more precise. Now it's 60%. The worse the sales collapse, the higher they say their future growth is going to be. And people are lapping it up. He actually said negative 50%. Let's see. Did Strongman say energy storage? I have plenty of stored energy in my belly. God, that isn't a... He's even got the McDonald's logo on his shirt. Guys, I mean, like, come on. I can't even express in words how I feel about this. Like, you should be terrified that people are buying this stock after earnings. This should scare you to death. This is the state of humanity, where you can see an obvious lie right in front of your eyes and people ignore it. Hey, Chris, the grass is pink. No, it's green. No, it's pink, bro. No, it's green. Bro, it's pink. You're so stupid. You don't understand, bro. You're right. The grass is pink. When Trump bigs back production, we will start using Optimus robots to work the factories. Tesla's going to be valued. Yeah. Well, I can tell you that there will be robots in factories. It ain't going to be freaking Optimus slime. It ain't going to be humans, but it will be robots. None of your freaking jobs are coming back. Let's see. He has turned anti-American and woke. Okay, I may have been expressing some anti-American sentiments, but I will never be woke. Ever! Ever! Don't you ever call me woke again, boy! You're stuck on the numbers! You're stuck on the numbers! The numbers don't matter! You know, you're right. The numbers don't freaking matter. You're right. It's a cult. Tesla stock, bro! US stock, bro! Buy the dip, bro! It's a wasting, bro! He's just mad all the stocks he hates. Oh, no, bro. I'm going to win this game, okay? Let's see. Ryu, it won't die. It won't die, dude. I just won't die. I've been busy, okay? I'm a busy man. Look at me. Yeah. You think this body comes from nothing? Let's see. Man, I got to react to a Meet Kevin video. Let's see. VT, bro. No gain since May last year. Guys, VT isn't up since May last year. No, you need to buy Tesla instead. And look at this guy. This is an Amerifat, dude. Look at his profile picture. Burgers and French fries in the shape of Donald Trump. Amerifat. You are the meme, Lewis. Strong man, you're so stupid. You don't understand, bro. God hates me. God is sitting in heaven, looking down at me right now and saying, you are going to the pits of you know what. You are going to burn in fire for all eternity because you saw Tesla had negative 20% auto revenue decline and a massive collapse in profits and has ruined its brand reputation worldwide, and you are bearish on the stock. You will be punished. You will burn in hellfire. Let's see. BYD's a Chinese stock, bro. It's Chinese, bro. US stock, bro. Tesla. I love your videos about Amerifats. Oh, you mean like the French fry hamburger guy? And everything you said about Trump is correct, by the way. He's not a Republican. He doesn't give a crap about Republican values. It's all about him. No, I'm bullish on the U.S., bro. Oh, we got a super chat. You have won many times, but people still call you out. No, honestly, like I am so winning on Tesla right now. I am winning, guys. For all you haters that make fun of me about Tesla, you are the clowns. You are the ones that look like morons. You are the ones that are in a cult. History will look back on you and it will mock you for all eternity for your clownish commitment to this failed company. I will be looked upon. I will be read in textbooks as a legend for calling out Tesla. Me! I'm a freaking hero! Buy my book. Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. All right, well, I think that's it. I appreciate the super chat. Thank you for tuning in. Tesla, I'm very bullish on Tesla. You should buy Tesla. You should go all in. I have a DCF I made of Tesla that shows the stock price going to 5 quintillion by the end of 2027. It's only $30. Please buy it. No refunds. And have a wonderful, delicious Tesla day. Cheers.